Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to activate a Starlink account. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on your PC or mobile phone, go to the search bar and type in activate a Starlink account. Hit enter. Now, simply click on the link that says starlink.com, activate Starlink, and it is going to take you to this page. And as you can see, you can activate your Starlink just by entering your Starlink identifier and email address below. So you would have got your Starlink identifier. Just add that in this field and click on the email section and enter your email with which you have created a Starlink account. So your Starlink identifier will be at the top of your Starlink. Just like this, it will start with KIT or 0 or something like this. Just enter that specific code in this field, enter your email name and hit enter. You can also choose whether it's an existing account, and if you're new, you can click on new account. After you do this, you would have successfully activated your Starlink. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.